Hello friends, welcome back in my channel English is Fun. Now I would like to talk about an important topic, that is how to speak English fluently, nicely. So we are facing so many problems when it comes speaking English. So we all want to improve our spoken English as much as we can. But how to begin? That's the question. So today I'm here before all of you guys with 5 tips. I think if you follow any of them, it might change your life. Yeah, it depends. So let's see what happens. So first of all, I would like to talk about the one tip, that is start speaking right now. So this is the most crucial part of our life. Beginning is half done. So we need to start our journey of speaking English right now. That's the one thing that you should start. We always say, oh, okay, tomorrow we'll go for gym, or tomorrow we'll go for exercise, but that tomorrow never comes. So number one tip is that you should start speaking now, right away. Just speak for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Just start. Unless you start, you can never reach that goal. Life is a journey. We must start our journey. So I think you should try this one. Okay, the second tip is that most important, I think, so far, that is avoid shyness. Oh, what people will say about me if I speak in English? Oh, they will leave harsh comments regarding my speaking English, or they would like to find faults in my sentence. That's okay. Accept it. It's not a big deal. People do that. It's their job, it's their life, and they are going to make their own choices. So do you, so do us. It depends on us. Just avoid such negative people or negative comments. Just stay focused and believe in yourself. Do what you can do with your capacity. That's okay. I think if you can avoid shyness, inshallah you can speak English nicely. Okay, so I think that would work out if you try this. Okay, so third is accept the negative remarks. Yeah, it's related to the second tip. Okay, it's a big part of our life. Basically, we have fear what people say about this, or what can I do, or if I do that, what they will think, or what my friends will think, and what will be their reactions. We are so much cared about others' remarks or such things, and we should not do that. It's our life, and we should be the captain of our own life. It's not for English, but for all the situations. You must have the choice, and you have to do that. So we all should accept the negative remarks, negative comments, whatever it may be, for anything. Not only learning, but also running our own life. We have to meet such people, such situations, and we have to face boldly. Okay, so the fourth one is that try to find a partner with whom you can practice each single day. So now you can do it so easily because there are many amazing like apps out there. So one of them is Buddy Talk. I myself follow this, and also I try to speak each single day at least for 30 to 40 minutes if possible, then maybe 1 hour, more than 1 hour. And then also there are some other applications like Speakler and some other also apps out there. So that's a good way to talk to new people. So also it will help you to avoid your shyness, or it will help you to start speaking English from tomorrow, from now. You can do that. Just use that opportunity. So, and the final tip is that try to speak English at least 30 to 40 minutes each single day. That's more important because we have so many plans and we would like to do many things at a time. That's not possible, and also we have some problems, and one of them is we are inconsistent. We are not punctual at all. That's the problem. So we need to be consistent and be focused on your activities, and you have to carry out these things each single day. So I think these 5 tips might help you, and now I'm going to tell you the tips in brief. Okay, so number 1 tip is start speaking right now, no matter what. Second, avoid shyness. Third one is accept the negative remarks. Fourth one, find a partner with whom you can speak English. And last but not the least, try to speak daily at least 30 to 40 minutes. So I hope if you use these tips, that might help you to improve your speaking skills. So take care and see you next time. Until then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.